Hovr also makes a custom order steel bracket for high load applications like this heavy fireplace mantle, for example. And there's two differences between the brackets. First of all, this bracket marries together straight on and does not require a 15-degree tilt to attach the male and the female bracket when you're attaching your shelf to the wall surface. Second difference is that the space between the male and the female can accommodate much larger hardware like this bolt, or for example, a sleeve anchor that would go into the mortar of a fireplace with the accompanying bolt. This bad boy is 10 gauge steel and is great for your heavier applications. So give us a call or consult our website if you want any more information about this application.